Hey guys, I know I do that every day. I make a video. I go like that. So I'm gonna say, let me go launcher. Well, you don't have to. You can go on iRedstone app. Yeah. So traps. Okay, I think it's cannons.
Hey, everybody Chang Sons tonight.
Never mind.
Oh my gosh, this Pam. Hi, Pam. I mean, Your Honor.
Chuck, I see you're working with these nice folks again.
What defense
Fun for
cannons?
you.
So TNT cannons. So to create this little, I'm not gonna show you fully because I'm kind of lazy. Create a little pole with length of 8 blocks. So you do that. Put water source at the end right here. It's a really quick video. Install redstone laying around the hole. So it's gonna look like an L, but it's different L. Out of these little 2 holes, and you put a lot of repeaters there, and you put that redstone. So you put it like that. Take the block, press the button, and it activates. And it goes booming. So it doesn't destroy the thing. It just destroys a target from far away. So that's the end, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. And I know this is quick, but